Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 9, 4th lesson, linear equation in two variables, exercise 4.2. See here, first question, what is there? Which of the following option is true and why y is equal to 3x plus 5? Y is equal to 3x plus 5. See here, what is the equation is there? Y is equal to 3x plus 5. Here three options given. One is unique solution, one is only two solutions, one is infinitely many solutions. Unique means one solution, two solutions, and many solutions, infinitely many solutions. Which option is correct? See here, linear equation in one variable is there, means there is a one solution. And in introduction video I explained, you can watch it. See here, linear equation in one variable is there, means there is one solution. But linear equation in two variables is there, means there is many solutions. So in this one, anywhere linear equation in two variables is there, means you will get answers many. Okay, so here what is the correct option? C is the correct option. So this answer is C, infinitely many solution. What is the reason? We can write why reason also we can write. Reason, what is there? For every value of x, there is a corresponding value of y, vice versa is there. See here, for example, also two examples I will take and I will explain. See here, one first example I will take. What is the equation is there? See, y is equal to 3x plus 5 is there. Okay, here I am taking x value 1, I am taking x value 1 taking means see here, y is equal to 3 into 1 plus 5. So y is equal to 3 1s are 3 plus 5. So y value how much? 8 you will get. So 1 you are taking means x value 1 you are taking means you will get y value 8. Again one more example I will take. See, y is equal to 3x plus 5. Here x value I am taking 2. So 2 taking means y is equal to 3 into 2 plus 5. See here, y is equal to 3 to the 6 plus 5. See here, y is equal to, what is the answer? 11. 5 plus 6, 11 is the answer. So like this you are taking x value means you will get one more y value. Otherwise you are taking y value. Why apply y by one value you taking means x value you will get. Like this you are taking how many solutions are possible? Many solutions are possible. So you can write sentence, every value of x, there is a corresponding value of y, vice versa. X taking means you will get y value. Y taking means you will get the x value. Like this, how many possible? Infinitely many solutions are possible. Okay. Now second question, write the 4 solutions for each of the following equations. See here, this is the equation is there. You write any 4 solutions. X value anyone you take, you will get the y value. Now see here I am taking x is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1 I am taking. You substitute here 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 7. Okay, 2 1s are 2 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 minus 2. What is the y value? Y is equal to 5. So now you got one solution. Like this you do 4 solutions. One is finished. Again I am taking the equation 2x plus y is equal to 7. And now you take any value, 3 take. X is equal to not only this number, any number you take. X is equal to I am taking 3. See here, 3 taking means see here, 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 7. 2 3s are 6 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7. Take this side number minus 6. So 7 minus 6, y is equal to 1. Second one is finished. Like this you find 4 solutions. Again I am taking one more. See here, 2x. See here, 2x plus y is equal to 7. X value I am taking 5 taking. X is equal to I am taking 5. See here, 5 taking means see here, 2 into 5 plus y is equal to 7. 5 to the 10 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 minus 10. So what is the y value? Y is equal to 7 minus 10. You will get minus 3 is the answer. Okay. 1, 2, 3 over. One more we will try. Here we will try. See here. I am doing here. See here. 2x plus y is equal to 7. So x value here I am taking. X value what I will take? 4 you take. Not this number. Any value you take it. See here. 4 I am taking. 2 into 4 plus y is equal to 7. 2 4 is 8 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 minus 8. So y is equal to what you will get? Minus 1 you will get. This is the answer. Like this, you take x value, anything you take it, you will get the y value. This is finished. So now we will do second question. See here I will do one line. See, now we will do second question. What is the second question? Is there pi x plus y is equal to 9. Now see here I am taking here pi x plus y is equal to 9. X value I am taking 1 I am taking. X is equal to I am taking 1. See here 1 taking means see here pi into 1 plus y is equal to 9. Pi into 1, it is pi only. Pi plus y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 plus pi, after is equal to minus pi. So this much, or this we can't simplify. This is only answer. Okay. Again we will do first one over. Like this we will do 4. Okay. Second one, see pi x plus y is equal to 9. See x value I am taking 3. X is equal to I am taking 3. Now see here pi into 3 plus y is equal to 9. Pi into 3, 3 pi. 3 pi plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus 3 pi is the answer. Okay, this one we can't simplify. Keep like this. Finished. Again we will take one more. Pi x plus y is equal to 9. X value I am taking 2. I am taking x value I am taking 2. Now see here pi into 2 plus y is equal to 9. Pi into 2, 2 pi. 2 pi plus y is equal to 9. See here y is equal to 9. Take this side, minus 2 pi is the answer. We can't simplify. Keep like this only. Okay. Next 1, 2, 3 over. We will try one more. See here only I will do pi x plus y is equal to 9. X value I am taking 5. X is equal to I am taking 5. 5 taking means see pi into 5 plus y is equal to 9. It is 5 pi plus y is equal to 9. See here y is equal to, little bit I will know, y is equal to 9 minus 5 pi is the answer. Okay, are you clear this one? Like this you have to do. Any number you take, not this number, anyone you take and you try it. Okay. Now this last third question in this one. See x is equal to 4y. Now see x value I am taking. See x is equal to I am taking 1. I am taking. See x is equal to 1 taking means 1 is equal to 4y. Reverse I will write. See 4y is equal to 1. Y is equal to what happens? 1 by 4 is the answer. Finished. One finished. Next, again you try one more. X is equal to 4y. See, x value I am taking 2. Otherwise, x value I am taking 3. See, 3 is equal to 4y. Reverse you write. 4y is equal to 3. Y is equal to what? 3 by 4 is the answer. Finished. How many finished? 1, 2 finished. Again we will do 2. See here. X is equal to 4y. Any negative number also you take it. x value what is there? Minus 2 you take. X value is the minus 2. See here, minus 2 is equal to 4y. Reverse you write. 4y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 divided by 4. Any cancel possible also, we can cancel it. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what is the y value? Y is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the answer. 3 finished. Okay, one more we will try. This side I will try. See, one more. Otherwise down we will try. X is equal to 4y. See here, x value I am taking 9. I am taking x value 9 taking. See, 9 is equal to 4y. See, 4y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9 by not visible means I will take like this. 9 by 4 is the answer. Finished. See, only this much is the answer. Okay, nothing by equation given and if for solutions x value substitute and you find the solution. Okay. Now third question. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. See here, what is the question is there? 0, 2 is there. This meaning what? X value we will take 0. Next, y value we will take 2. X value is the 0, y value is the 2. Two equations is there. One is x value, one is the y value. What is the equation is there? I will write. See, first question. X minus 2y is equal to 4. So now we will substitute x value 0, y value 2. Both side equal answer came means it is a solution. Otherwise not a solution. X value see Baba 0 I am substituting minus 2 into y value is the 2 is equal to 4. Okay, 0 minus 2 to the 4 is equal to 4. 0 minus 4 what is the answer? Minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to 4? No, both are not equal. 1 plus 4 is there, 1 minus 4 is there. Both are not equal. So you can write 0 2 is not a 0 2 is not a solution. Is not a solution. Finish. This is the answer. Okay. Next we will do second question like this. This bit how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sums are there. Now we will do second question. Second question, see Baba, what is their second question? 2 0. Second question is the 2 0. See, 2 0 means one is x value, one is y value. So x is equal to what? 2. Y is equal to what? 0. Now I am writing same equation. X minus 2y is equal to 4. X value how much is there? 2. Minus y value is the 0. 2 into 0 is equal to 4. Now see here, 2 minus 2 zeros, 0 is equal to 4. 2 minus 0, 2. 2 equal to 4? No, it is not equal to 4. Okay, so we can write 2 0. 2 0 is not a solution. Is not a solution. Very easy questions. Is not a solution. You can write it. Now we will move to third question. See here. What is the third question? Third question, what is there? 4 0. Third question is the 4 0. X value is the 4, y value is the 0. I am writing here, see, x value is the 4, y value is the 0. One is x value, one is y value. I am writing the equation. X minus 2y is equal to 4. X value 4 substitute. Y value is substitute 0. X value what is there? 4 minus 2 into y value what is there? 0 is equal to 4. Okay. 4 minus 2 zeros 0 is equal to 4. 4 minus 0, 4. 4 equal to 4. So this, 4 equal to, here came 4. 4 equal to 4. So this is a solution. Yes. 4 0 is a solution. You can write it. 4 0 is a solution. This is finished. Okay. Now we will move to fourth question. Now see here. Fourth question I will write. What is their fourth question? Fourth question, root 2. Next number 4 root 2. Root 2 and 4 root 2. This one we will do. See here. In this one, x value is the x is equal to root 2. Next, y is equal to 4 root 2. X is equal to root 2, y is equal to 4 root 2. Same equation I am writing. X minus 2y is equal to 4. X value what is there? Root 2. Minus 2 into y value what is there? 4 root 2. 4 root 2 is equal to 4. X value is the root 2. 2 into y value is the 4 root 2. Now see here, root 2 minus, you can multiply 2 4s are 8 root 2 is equal to 4. These two you can simplify. Here nothing means 1. See here, 1 root 2 minus 8 root 2. So you will get minus 7 root 2 is equal to 4. It is right? No, it is not equal. So you can write, therefore, root 2, 4 root 2 is not a solution. Is not a solution. Okay. Next, one more sum is there. See here, what is there? One more sum. Now see here, fifth sum, 1 1 is given. Fifth sum, listen beta, 1 1. See here, one value you take x, one value you take y. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Same equation you will take. X minus 2y is equal to 4. X value how much is there? 1. 1 minus 2 into y value also 1 is equal to 4. 1 minus 2 ones are 2 is equal to 4. 1 minus 2, what is the answer? Minus 1. Minus 1 equal to 4? No, it is not equal to 4. So you can write 1 1 is not a solution. Is not a solution. See here, LHS, RHS equal means, see here, LHS, RHS equal is there. Equal is there means solution. Not equal means not a solution. Okay. Now fourth question. Find the value of the k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is the solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. So k value you have to find. And we know the x value, we know the y value. In the equation you applied means you will get the answer. See here, what is the equation is there? First I will write 2x plus 3y is equal to k. This is the equation. In this one is the given x value also, y value also. So I am taking x is equal to what is the value is there? 2. Next y is equal to what is the value is there? 1. Okay. Now in this equation you applied means you will get the answer. See here, 2x plus 3y is equal to k. X value what is there? 2. 2 into 2 plus 3 into y value what is there? 1 is equal to k. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 is equal to k. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 is equal to k. Now you write, therefore, k is equal to 7 is the answer. Okay. This is the last question of this chapter. This is very easy chapter. Again, you have any doubt also comment it. Subscribe my channel.